Hey everyone! Today, we are walking through how to install Ollama completely from scratch right on your Windows PC. Ollama is a fast, lightweight engine that allows you to download and run open-source large language models locally with full privacy, zero cloud costs, and instant token generation. Let's jump right into the setup step by step. First, let's get the installer. Open up your web browser, navigate to ollama.com, and click the Download for Windows button right on the homepage. Once the setup file finishes downloading, locate it in your Downloads folder and launch the executable. Now, click the Install button in the Setup wizard and let the installer complete. Ollama installs natively into your user profile, automatically adds itself to your system path, and starts a background service represented by the small llama icon in your Windows system tray near the clock. With Ollama installed, let me show you how to verify it and run your first model. Open up your terminal by pressing the Windows key plus R on your keyboard, type in CMD, and press Enter to launch the command prompt. To verify that the installation was successful, type Ollama version and press Enter. You will see the installed version number returned immediately. Now you can test it by pulling and running any local AI model. For example, type Ollama run llama or Ollama run quen and hit Enter. Ollama will automatically download the model weights, set up the local engine, and drop you directly into an interactive command line chat session. You can type in prompts, ask coding questions, or test out agentic capabilities completely offline. And that is all it takes to install and set up Ollama on Windows.